A powerful storm has torn through Piscataway, New Jersey this evening, leaving a significant and widespread trail of toppled trees, severely damaged power lines, and prompting several critical road closures that are impacting travel across the entire township.
Yes, we have large hail out here, to say the least.
Officials are providing continuous updates, reporting extensive storm damage affecting multiple neighborhoods. The Arbor, New Market, and Birch Run sections appear to be among the hardest hit areas, bearing the brunt of the storm's fury. More specifically, critical intersections and thoroughfares like Sewell Avenue and Mountain Avenue, Meredith Road west of Agatha Drive, numerous parts of Birch Run Drive, and the area near West 4th Street and Walnut Street are currently grappling with fallen trees that have effectively blocked traffic and are creating significant hazards for both motorists and pedestrians. Officials have issued a stern and important warning in a public statement, advising the community that storms have caused many trees in the township to fall, some resulting in downed wires. They emphatically urged, with utmost seriousness, please do not go near any downed wires, highlighting the extreme and potentially life-threatening danger that these live wires present. While dedicated emergency crews are actively responding to these unfolding incidents across the township, the Department of Public Works, significantly bolstered by the tireless efforts of volunteer firefighters, are working diligently and around the clock to clear debris, remove obstructions, and ultimately restore access to the roadways that have been rendered impassable. In light of the hazardous conditions, officials have strongly urged all residents to avoid non-essential travel and to exercise extreme caution when navigating any areas that have sustained storm damage, emphasizing that safety remains the paramount concern. To expedite what is proving to be an extensive and challenging cleanup operation, private contractors will be supplementing the crucial work already being performed by the Township Public Works crews to address the massive and complex task of removing the numerous downed trees that litter the landscape. For residents who need to report a downed tree or a downed wire, unless it is an active fire or an immediate life-threatening situation requiring 911, the Piscataway Township Police Department should be contacted directly to ensure proper response.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. The pillows are gonna be all wet. Your pillow's gonna be okay, son?
So no.
Yeah. The pillows. Your pillows outside. Your pillows.
Simultaneously, a broader system of powerful thunderstorms, packing incredibly intense winds, has not only toppled countless trees, but has also knocked out power for thousands upon thousands of people across various parts of New Jersey this Thursday night, with the Plainfield area, in particular, enduring a particularly severe and direct hit. In Plainfield, which early assessments suggest is one of the municipalities with the most extensive and visible damage, Mayor Adrian Mapp has posted a crucial and urgent notice on the city's official Facebook page, formally announcing that a state of emergency has been declared for the entire city. The notice, which underscores the gravity of the situation, reads, "Today on July 3rd, 2025, an emergency was created by extremely severe weather conditions. This state of emergency shall remain in effect until further notice, indicating the sustained threat and the need for extraordinary measures. This declaration allows for greater flexibility in deploying resources and coordinating emergency response efforts."
That's the important one.
vital piece of information. As of Thursday night, no injuries have been reported, which is a testament to preparedness and perhaps a bit of luck given the storm's intensity. Residents across all affected regions are being strongly and patiently encouraged to remain calm and understanding as cleanup and restoration efforts, which are anticipated to be extensive and time-consuming, continue diligently throughout the night and well into tomorrow. The city of Plainfield, New Jersey, officially declared this state of emergency after the severe weather relentlessly lashed the area this Thursday night, making immediate and profound impacts. Mayor Adrian O'Mapp's declaration specifically cited the widespread presence of downed trees, numerous downed power lines, and the pervasive power outages reported throughout the entire city as the compelling reasons for this emergency status. In neighboring South Plainfield, the impact on power infrastructure is also significant, with over 1,000 customers confirmed to be without power as of 7 o'clock this evening. For these affected customers, the estimated restoration time is currently projected for 6:30 in the morning on Friday, though residents are advised that such estimates can sometimes shift as crews assess the full extent of the damage. These clusters of strong thunderstorms first began their aggressive sweep into parts of New Jersey earlier this Thursday afternoon, initially signaling their arrival. As they progressed, some of the individual storm cells generated particularly powerful gusty winds, accompanied by instances of small hail and exceptionally heavy downpours that contributed to reduced visibility and hazardous driving conditions. The National Weather Service initially issued the first of what would become several severe thunderstorm warnings for our region at about 3:35 in the afternoon, providing initial alerts to residents. Forecasters anticipate that more such alerts are likely to follow, as scattered storm cells are expected to continue developing and potentially intensifying throughout the evening hours on what has already been a remarkably steamy summer day. This ongoing development maintains the potential for further localized, severe weather impacts, meaning communities not yet hit hard should remain vigilant. The combined effect of the strong winds, heavy rain, and hail has created a challenging environment for emergency services, who are working tirelessly to respond to calls for assistance, manage traffic, and ensure public safety across the affected areas. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.